Hi guys, Tom here.
Rob here.
And we're here to tell you about the new seminar.
The new seminar?
Yes, it's not one of those boring old seminars where you sit in a quiet room and watch PowerPoints. No.
Our last seminar wasn't boring, but this one's newer than new.
If you work at a contract manufacturing shop and you need to find out how to market your shop, find new business, win business from overseas, how do you deal with Google, Facebook, LinkedIn? How do you?
Everyone's looking for your money and they're making a lot of promises. You need to be able to figure out and track what is working, have metrics to decide what working means to you, and is it successful for the price you're paying.
What we do is we find out what works, what doesn't work, and we bring that information to you. So really, this seminar is more like a round table.
It's a round, we can have a discussion about that if you'd like.
Right now?
We could, let's talk about that.
All right. Well, so anyway, who should attend? Put it this way, if you don't know these words, if you don't know those words,
you don't know these words that are hanging off of the mic stand over here, we're gonna say them out loud and then you could ask us what they are. Like cost per acquisition, for instance.
search engine optimization.
AdWords, keywords, social media, CPM, hits versus impressions.
Conversions, do you know the difference?
What's ROI and how do you calculate it?
Clowns.
Clowns?
Yeah, there will be no clowns allowed.
There'll be clowning around, but there'll be no clowns allowed. We're gonna help you figure out all the different pods, all the different things you need to think about to market your company successfully. There's a lot of different things you need to think about. We'll show you which ones matter and why and how to test them out.
So seriously, what we need you to do is just register today, but because it is a roundtable discussion and we are sharing information about the manufacturing community, we want to know what you need to know.
We have a lot of things to talk about, but we're more than happy to take the things you're confused about, things you've heard two different answers on. We'll help you figure out which way is the right way.
Go to our webpage right here and actually submit a topic, that's something that you want to learn about, because this is an open roundtable discussion.
Boy, I'm glad we had a round table. We were going to use that rectangular one.